I'm literally obsessed with this plier because it's perfect for fitting nano ring. Also, it's perfect for removing nano ring and micro ring. So you definitely need one of them. As you can see, it has different holes in it, and the smallest one is actually for undoing the nano. All you have to do is to grab the nano within that hole, press it, and from the flat nano, it goes back to circle, and your hair extension easily comes out.